Hello everyone, we're gonna be playing teardown. I have a new game right here, but it's not really that fun, so I'm not gonna make a video of that. But let's play teardown. Just got it, pretty good. Played like one round of it. Oh yeah, I don't know how, but it has flashing lights, so be careful, I guess. And I wanted to do this one because there's a lot of things in this one. I just took one look at the Sensi. Very good. Right here. Oh, wait, I don't have my weapons? Oh no. Is that good? A weapon, me beautiful weapon. Oh, I don't have my weapons but right now, but can I grab any? Ooh, all the vehicles? Okay. I just went through everything. I want to show you all the vehicles. Ooh, race car? Ooh, quite fast. And then my new Lambo. What happens when I go inside the water? Whoa. Look how nice the water is. Oh wow, that's like super realistic. Cool. I feel like sharks gonna come out and nowhere and eat me. I wonder how nice it would be being here in like real life. I mean like without all this, these walls and stuff. Me race car. No! Yeah, I can't get it out because I don't have no sledgehammer. No, I can't get in. Oh yeah, I forgot. You can like open these doors already quickly. If I can do it. Oh, I guess that door doesn't work. This one. What? What if I? Yep, there we go. All I have to do is grab it from the inside and oh, really? Okay. Oh, never mind. I gotta just do it the opposite way. The way it's not supposed to be thrown. Okay, I guess we gotta crouch under. It's inside here. Mm, 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 mm. Open up. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, okay, that didn't work. BTV? No, no more TV. Mm, 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 mm. So much fun doing this. Wait, I need to check something in case I'm not. Oh, I can't check it. Oh, okay, and it's frozen. So, there we go. Mm, get out of the way. This is so much fun. Just breaking windows. Alright, I'm gonna put it right between here and the. Oh, it didn't work. What about secret weapon? Oh, no, did not work at all. Secret weapon number 2. Secret weapon number 3. Oh, not that strong. Oh, that's stronger, I guess. I don't know how, but it's stronger. Oh my god, this is super strong. What about this tiny little piece? Oh my god. Trying to. What happens if I. What? Well, I guess it doesn't want to come. What? Oh, there we go. I just gotta like slightly do it like this and then hit it. Up there. Okay, come on. Oh, I thought that would break. Oh, there. There we go. Oh, please open. Oh, nope. Because it won't, I mean, I guess break. Take that. Take that. Take that. Oh my god. Mmm. 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 Boop. You know what, Mr. Door, you're go. Bye bye. Oh, there's a weird little dock right there. Oh. Oh my god. Hi. Boom. Mm, mm, boom. Oh. What about right there? Go. Go. You must go. Go. Oh my god. Oh my. Mm. 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 Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, there we go. I feel like something's gonna like pounce on me. Oh no. Oh. Oh, never mind. I'm about to say this room's done, but not yet. Hello? It's kind of scary, the attic. I guess I need a big thing to break out. Okay, we did our job there. Thank you for the free door, sir. Oh, I didn't even pick up the door. Oh. People like move in and they're like, what have you done to this house? This isn't even actually a house, I guess. Oh, this looks important. Oh my god. I didn't fix that. Boop. Oh, that wasn't that. Oh no. Oh, I thought I was gonna die. Fro. Oh, I landed. I landed it. Ooh. Just one more. You'll go to heaven. Goodbye. Oh. Sir, that's not the way to heaven. Okay. Oh, that was a big box. I didn't realize how big it was.